If you have leftover chicken or turkey, don't waste it, don't throw it away. Please make this recipe. I have like 2.5 cups of turkey. This is frozen. I put it in the fridge last night. Today is ready for the breakfast that I'm gonna be making. So please use your turkey or chicken leftover from the day before. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna chop this a little bit more because it's as you can see, it has really big chunks. If you have chicken as well, you can use it for this recipe. You're gonna see the step by step is super easy and it's gonna be delicious. Once the turkey is chopped like this, I'm gonna set it aside for the next step. If you wanna see my turkey recipe, I'm gonna leave the link in the comments below or in the description below of this video so you can go and watch the whole process, how I season my turkey and how I roast it in the oven. Let's set this aside for the next step. In 1 teaspoon of olive oil, I'm gonna saute 1 cup of finely chopped potato. This is roasted potato. You can use any other potato you have at hand. Almost 1 cup of potatoes is good amount for this recipe. We're gonna be cooking this potato for at least 5 minutes. I'm gonna season with a pinch of salt. And with a pinch of pepper. I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna let this to cook for at least 5 minutes in medium-high heat. I'm gonna move a little bit my pan so the potatoes are gonna cook evenly. As you can see, they are almost ready. And if you like these ceramic pots that I'm using in my channel here, I'm gonna leave the Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video so you can go and purchase these beautiful pots that I'm using. This pan is amazing. It's really good. It won't stick, as you can see. It doesn't stick at all. It's a beautiful gift for Christmas Day. So if you want to give this to your mom, to your sister, to your wife, your husband, anyone, a friend maybe, this is a really nice gift for Christmas. And my potatoes are almost done. I'm gonna give it 1 more minute and I'm gonna show you the next step. We're gonna add the turkey now with the potatoes. We're gonna saute everything really well. I'm gonna add 1 cup of chopped onion. This one is red onion. I'm gonna add it to the turkey and the potatoes and we're gonna mix everything well. I'm gonna add 1 bell pepper chopped in little or dice, as you can see here. I'm gonna add it here to the onion, to the potatoes and turkey. I'm gonna mix everything well. If you like it spicy, you can obviously add jalapeno or any other spicy chili of your preference. This is optional, you guys. If you don't like olives, don't add it to your recipe. In my case, I love the taste of olives, so I'm gonna add it here and I'm gonna combine it with the rest of the ingredients. I have the turkey gravy, more or less, I think less than a half of a cup of the turkey gravy. I'm gonna add it here to the mixture, to all these ingredients. And if you don't have turkey gravy, it doesn't matter. You can add at least 1 tablespoon of butter. I wish you can smell this, you guys. This is so good. Wow. I hope you can make this recipe, you guys, because it's so good and yummy. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro. This is the moment to taste the salt. I think mine is perfect, but you can obviously taste the salt. If it needs a little bit more, you can add it to your recipe. In my case, I'm gonna leave it just like this. This is ready, you guys. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna put it aside until the moment we're gonna use this filling. So for the next step, we're gonna use this masa arepa. It's corn flour. It's pre-cooked. The texture is really different. You can use it for tamales, you can use it for arepas, for empanadas. And today I'm gonna do empanadas. They are pretty much like the Colombian empanadas that we made in this channel before. If you haven't watched this video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video so you can go and watch it after watching this video. So we're gonna use at least 3 cups of this flour. I'm gonna show you the texture of this flour is really different. You can use any other flour of your preference, like wheat flour, but the process is gonna be different. But if you're gonna use the corn flour, this is the one that you want to get. Any brand is okay. I'm not promoting any brand. I'm not promoting Goya. But if you can find the white corn meal, this is the one that we're gonna be using. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a half teaspoon. I'm gonna add 2 of these. We're gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, it's okay. You can add warm water instead, but really the chicken broth for me, it gives more taste to the dough. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of water, preferably if it's warm. We're gonna be mixing this with our hands. Little by little, I'm gonna be adding the rest of the water. So for 3 cups of the flour, we're gonna be using 2 cups of liquids, chicken broth, vegetable broth, or water. So this is the consistency we want for this dough. Once it's completely detached from the bottom of the bowl, the dough is ready. I'm gonna be wetting my hands a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of the dough, I'm gonna shape it into a ball, and I'm gonna make the empanada, okay? Look at this empanada disc, you guys. It's perfect. We're gonna put the filling and we're gonna close the empanada now. Now we're gonna close the empanada really well, making sure that it doesn't break. That's why I need this plastic wrap. It's really handy for this process. I'm gonna cut the excess. Just like this. And this will give a really nice shape to this empanada. As you can see, it's perfect. Okay, you guys, look at these empanadas. They are so pretty. I love the shape, the perfect shape that they have. I got 11 empanadas, you guys. Look at these. They are so pretty, so perfect. The shape is perfect. We're gonna deep fry these empanadas. If you want to air fry them, make sure that you add a little bit of oil or butter so they won't be too dry. So now we're gonna deep fry our empanadas. And look at this, you guys. We cannot wait to try them. And it is really important to place the empanadas here in this paper towel so we can get rid of any excess grease. So this is the end result of these empanadas, you guys. This is so rich, so yummy, so delicious. I recommend this recipe 100%. It's gonna be great. I promise none of these empanadas are gonna stay here. Everybody's gonna grab 1 or 2 and it's gonna be one of the best options of breakfast for the next day or for Christmas Day. As you can see, I got 10 empanadas. I have 8 here and 2 more. I'm gonna open one of them so you can see how crunchy this dough is, and we cannot wait to taste them. If you like this video, give us a like and share this recipe with someone that would like to make it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any recipe. Thank you for being with us. God bless you. Bye bye.